ne hande.
Okay.
Ebia.
I get it.
Or can ho and to be about 20, 30, 40% of a defeat, attributable to him there.
Oh, okay.
Why do you repeat it?
Okay.
What you say?
But the end
but more thing. But minia, ye nam so ane ye kon. If you come say anaba, also woko be kwai. E kan e no woko no. Amafo be hu se papa ti bas mu nya yi convoy hwihwi bia. Onam ke bia euphoria. Ene ji ankrofo ti se twemu amode die me traffic room be e be shia kwa no pagya yensa keke no. This time it was not there.
Munama.
It was not there.
KPMPP flag but we me about to say they know me for
so that we in a real battle. Immediate, let me who signals and say, I don't know, editing. But then we're still believing, say, and I make my picture. In fact, say, and you said to about December, and I get to the Bay Augusta. Maybe you can be 30% of the year.
Abusia mo akwaba adibatu maji etso so se enwe bi kan ya woni ni edi hia be madom na wasasho ma page na fi oni adom am so sa no upload bi ato mo sa ebetimi aka ya mema refi se oba share video yin so ama wunya bi enye bi ahwe na abusia se na yensam a yede ba beso na ekumu a empenefo kaka se bi se ememne da nwure be yeda efifie da nopa eno bi na wo se echi men sambusu e kire se abra ye kwakoto aba no e ba na se nkabade ntini December na yeto no adresa was on kasa 40% na people nya en kwade na aka yade a esumbu yi bank wo bari akoka bunya be say 30% was HMN sabunsu ekokasa e wo insure FM ho na odi ensemi ekotu bia na wo kire say abra wo mo ye campaign na wo hwe say NPP party pa eti omu penifo egu bas mu eko na Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia wo no need party na nim ekra party ne frank ase yentu ne so aba no me mampani eka hu bi no mo nam na Ghana fo hu wo mo pa na wo mo chi obani a unhu MPP frank amposi wo bi him hu so obi apo bas ne hu so obi bas ne ho na ehuro na wo ba behuro mu no wo se chema so bozu kire se eho na hu se aba no kwasam ne se and that's so be any ho and who say abala o mokwakoto no MPP fo ebefile na so no say oh achia na mu ye de che mebunti no na da so kaka o hunti didie mu na mo de kwato aba na nya no kwasam ne say wo mu nim say abala o mokwakoto mbedi mu nkunim say na me kan no o kan ne nsam no e wo Insura FM ya e wo Kumase lokwakoto say na o kan nsam si fa ansa na e be ko no na me kanfo AM home care and nursing home e de ama no ma kire wo say wo mu aba say o mu ba be so wasene e wo ma me ya rehwem o papa ya rehwema na so na bia wuntimi enhwe no eno na AM home care abase wo mo eba beye wo mo doctor fo ne nurse fo wo matete wo mo a wo mbeyi wo mo ba fie no ba be hwe yare fo no dia ma o kama na duane ni nsunum ne exercise bia wo so ye nkomo bi kro wo so bo ne yare ni nyina na ya na eye adru bi wo ye exercise wo so de nipa de fam ni nyina AM home care and nursing home abaso mba be ya mo o mo sai wo home so wo a o mo yidi esi wo mo gi ma me no mu penifo ba no penifo e de abo o mo numbers egu screen no ase o ma cha kwan so e wo Ofanko Accra e ho no mo betimi fa numbers no afro mu na woni wo mo atwetwe enko busua ma yenko ne enko tise na o se echi man sabusu e de ne nsam no etu dafai
the attorney report here makako nyina no key areas a mode tu dwa no e kire se president Nana Akufo-Addo ka ho pa ne mamulu su ye ananse bibi fufuru bi ayeni
mami en kind executive summary.
Okay.
As a executive summary now and I'll bet you
but
summary no can be say the research revealed the following as major causes
okay
of our defeat. Number one, here the current delegate system of selecting party leaders.
Okay.
Including polling station, electoral area, constituency, regional and national offices, as well as parliamentary and presidential candidates.
Right.
The choir fasu yi nipa ewo some party no ewo various levels, polling station for electoral area coordinators, constituency executives, regional executives, and national executives. That's how the edi na afi a choir fasu nso yi parliamentary candidates, any presidential candidates. The edikaya amanfo kan ho asem pa no no it should be we say the general economic hardship in the country during the period under review. Say, I watch that now about my numu. So, the Kai 2017, it was about man and ado, about a president. Or the home battery was utumfo. Now, Obaya no, utumfo dan o kansen bi. O kansen, o say, a come any brie. And a man Ghana for Trabatia, John Mahama.
Come near Bufu.
A come near Bufu. And a man Ghana for two about a tia, John Mahama. Now, what be? Says, no, a bar, a come near Bufu, no bar. Sa Bufu, no, a come near Bufu, a better so Trabatia Bufu. Abai. In here, sir, I watched that no man. And so come on. And a man, a Trabani Dingu.
Okay.
It also me answer. And I said, to be. Or say the perception of corruption tag. The perception of corruption tag. Say, Ketase ni proya nankofo ka ho asem no. Say no krese nya no kre. Or say sa nipa de omani buye. Say yes MPP for no Ketase ni proye aba no so ka ho. No, say the leadership style of President Nana Addo Dankwa, which people perceived as single-minded and intransigent. Say na menu na otiano. Mo fa asene na all kana. Eh nkrofo sana na mo omo anisu no na omo dwene. O say no eka ho. O say the perception that government was controlled by the family of President Akufo-Addo. Say as a buy no nkrofo no mo keka say Akufo-Addo oni na busuafo nko na age bibia boso. Sa asem no party no anase ne hande.
Okay.
Ebia.
I get it.
Oka ho nti be about 20, 30, 40% of a defeat no attributable to him there.
Oh, okay.
Why do you repeat it?
Okay.
What you say?
But the end
but more thing. But minia ye nam so ana ye ko. If you come say anoba. Oso wo ko be kwai. E kan no wo ko no. Amafo be hu se papa ti basi mu nya yi convoy hwihwi bia. Onam ke bia euphoria. And the jungle for to see Tremor did dear me traffic room be a bishia quano pay as I can. This time it was not there.
Manama.
It was not there.
KPMPP flag by me a bat said they know me for
saw that we're in a real battle. Immediate me who signals and say I don't know anything. But then we're still believing, say, and I make my picture. In fact, say yes, I try about December, and I get to the Bay Augusta. Maybe you get here, 30% of the I'm being candid.
Yeah.
You try about the Bay Augusta. Some of them wording. Yeah, they be ni mono. I feel that economy no crowd so improve kakra. Or what to see mono nam from nam for who the new Casa Yetino. Because I need a soft penny for Bikushai. Upon the Casa and that's of penny diana, which I mean, your woman Betty. I say, leader, this man is a good man. So for penny pie bill, was this man is a good man. And I can feel his sincerity and humility.
Is it only the humility that count?
Yes.
That's the Ghanaians were concerned with humility.
Yes. Well, say I can. Oh, maybe on them. Maybe on them. And you, we are not familiar. And he, Megidi say, there were a lot of things in the medical yakan. A binum cracker, a microman wasn't them. Uncle, baby wasn't them, was a Santini, a choir, a more, maybe course, my resigning, if you say, they mentioned also. Another Kukukating.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So, say, he almost lost the primaries.
Yeah.
And any Abatron and Kasa. Now, people felt that it was a conspiracy against Ashantis and so on and so forth. And these things they spoke to. And name of Dawson. I mean, they may my dream say, you beat me a way, near show who be a free.
Now, Monsieur.
Now, a bit boy. Because, see, 2008. You're talking about you lose you know. Those days, come see about here. This will be I say. The crime bench and you lose you be say or then who should class or to Obama and this, even though we have lost.
Yeah.
This time around, you lost no we are no if you from and money and honey. With the honey for a giant doesn't. But then you go to a place that people are not ashamed
to say
they come to you say ye kasa chem say wenti ni andraba wenti ni andraba ni tiamo mo sesa manamo ya ye besa yaba.
Okay.
To me that is happy news, that is good news. People want to be sincere with you. Some mo see for ne kusasi for ntoka eno oboko no na ho for mu.
Okay.
Because nre yi na obi na meti obi o radio so na ayi kusasi for ne impulsive for nyantoka oboko a asante for the fair hobby. That person unim the dynamics I will because unimwa and I say unim and all cano ever trabano. They were kusasi elders in penning for Amba Ashandrijiha, ebedibe 10 days. Moving from baby settlements, I'm just a kusasi for one. No more Casas and natural woman. Call such a front place. Even Yenny Abequai constituency. They were there. And it affected
Sebaumia and Mam Prusin on Pekusasi for
Inti na omokoye a man for cancer as a natural woman. Afi ebinum say a big can say a bio neglected Ashanti region or development team.
Okay.
Especially infrastructure, roads, any other. Can you imagine say omoko mampong na mampong for mampong ne offensive north. Mampong for the omoka say mampong mo complain say mo hunu he. Mo hwe mampong group akwan a aban na ye. Omzo penia no kasa ma wo so mampong de dweta akonya. Na yen asante o asante ye political capital, ye administrative capital, ye traditional capital any Kumase. So ye mambo no anyi Kumase a wonya hwe ma asante.
Yeah.
And no mo kan be kan so am interchange. What you say? Indeed some people felt say as abani yineni efi asante so. Then party no ankasa nzu munsem. Say almost there was a disconnect between the original party and the regional party and the constituency parties. And some no also have been say conflicts. Tabantawa ne wukunu mu a yamfe ni ensi so.
Oma ankasemu.
Party no ankasemu, constituency parties no ankasemu, any region eho so ntawantawa wo ho a yamfe ni ensi so. Na ebinum omo kire mu say from 2016 abatu no mu and the sansem no sorry. By a to abana ye wini ye nya ne bum ntino. Yenya ne bum ntino. Asenkofo any free so. And nso so na about 2020. 2020 no afi yaba no so the margin of victory no from almost 1 million no it by 500,000. About 50%. 2021 no if you come say anopa. Oso wo ko be kwai. Ke kane no wo ko no amanfo be hu se papa e tibas munye yi convoy hwihwi bia onam nke bia euphoria eni giankrofo tese twemu amode di America fikro no be hia kwa no pagya yensa keke no. This time it was not there.
Munama
it was not there.
KBMPP flag ba umi e ba te say the no mo ye kofo ni.
So that we in a real battle. Immediate na me who signals and say ade no heading. But then we're still believing say and never make me pagya. In fact, say and you say to about December na ke ko to ne be August. Maybe it can be 30% be benya. Just I'm being candid.
Yeah.
You to about be August. So me name more thing. Yeah. Ade be ni mu no afi na economy no kra so improve kakra. Ono atisi mu no nam fom na manfo hunu nanum kasa yetie no no. Because ene asofo mpanifo bi ko hia e. Apa ne kasa ene so pani bia na ugina menche obo mabeti. I say leader, this man is a good man. So for Penny Paibu, I said this man is a good man. And I can feel his sincerity and humility.
Is it normally humility in account?
Yes.
That's like Ghanaians were concerned with humility.
Yes. Well, say I can. Oh, who will be on them? Enti oh, we are not from there. Enti Megidi say there were a lot of things any medical yakano. A binum cracker a micrame was and baby. I'm go a rally grounds. Na on nam constituency no be kokro bi so no si nante bi adwom church amam for e kasaka krach to mansana yakoye sa 3 major engagements no baby be ko bi a kasa he speaks for about 1 hour ni vision ni swadi no de mankrofo o kan nyina me hu bi da 3 hours constituency bia na constituency de bia so ne e 3 constituencies. What it meant was that he was speaking for 9 hours
a day.
If you had me pitino, why me bobo? Because be had not you be no tree, no chrono namna or kasa. You could find this now. Now see, the good thing is that the OSA report no mononia Ashanti team look for echo here no amokano. It's about the same thing. What does it mean? That's 4 years ago. What does it mean? Let's just say, reports about discussing any who and a more was a tour, a baby, a bianca medusa.
Papa, Mammy Busa, it drew me be not Ghana for Kasai. It was so loud to the extent that ultimately say Ghana for a comedy and a kufu do ne kase, kwabre for Kasa, businessmen Kasa. It was very clear. Yet the BBS and not Ghana for me, mano. It was so clear, but the response now, na bani na yet to say, and to say the more canon. I don't know how to ask. Didn't ask MP before you surprised BBC because it was clear. Say they are now on money based on data and research. No, in fact, the current CDD report was that we Ghana a drew baby cry there. We Ghana for 10 and say the country is heading toward the wrong direction. It was clear. So why is MPP so surprised about this defeat?
Yes, yes, in which I would in the church.
It's already not moving.
Oh, you be near who be kakra. You see, let's face it. You see, since 1992, I've been behind team breaking 18 that.
Right.
So that in itself, now a big hurdle. Then we had economic hardships. I can't was me. So now a business is hard. COVID-19 and its effect me no be that. If you are saying no be that. Afi be ni ma senke peye mu ana Russia and Ukraine to kwanso san bai. People as well Russia and Ukraine to kan dey ni hunsu so ne sen. Hunsu so be bre man. You remember yan kwara na wo ho a o mama mo scholarship na mo ko school. Woni me say steel products iron rods ni nema na use o memu no. Close to 60% if Ukraine and Ebre. And then iron rods ne bo. Fertilizer, I use for me. Over 30% if you create a neighbor. Omodiano, a very cheap so. A summer you use in Ghana, wheat and wheat products you use in Ghana. About 50% if you create a neighbor. Or maybe a pound on the size of a good. All these neighbors hiding. All these things, you know, not account.
But they were saying, say yes, they agree, say no, we are saying yes. But leader now, bet me a car, some money panel science say unisika. Dada mamisika but kwa dada be kasa atra abofrano nim say ni papa niska but at least or try bibi but I said that papa na no oteso no ene ne mana na etwa no ho ase defend no so ko kan say okay Russia Ukraine na se for but wonso ye bibi a na response na aba no ye bibi foforo
asa e kwa ni mu ni esuade see sometimes any pan so utimi ye complacent. Especially so if you say the mammy also kind of appreciate it power. Oh na fi any person be when nipa twa nipa ho hia no so enso comes because maybe nipa nyina na be ko ha o be kam no kre a kire papa no
but we were to send na kufu the experience
and I'm saying nipa nyina be ko ho
onim o share bo so be different government from John Mahama. In fact in 2016 manifesto no ne forward no say Ghanaians are in crisis. Ghana is in crisis. A crisis which is created and sustained by the Mahama-led government, mismanagement, corruption, incompetence. Into an bar, obey different government. No, any to say on one bottom, name Ghana food yenina. So this was somebody in him so yes. In fact, Kofobi crackers and an Ekufado and Winia. One bear president and Kebuguswa to say, Adentiama and Ekufado. The other thing Uncle Fokan wants is the arrogance pusher. And I think that's a no do na chese as mo kind of diplomacy. But Ghana for feel say Nana Akufo-Addo no ya hantai no ye je ne kasa ne nye oba akwa abiri
Ntebusia senior say chimensa botu kan nsem no na mede aba besumu amesrew se ne nsem ogi ne file aba me yehu e wo comment section go na afi wan wadom no ya totona batim so e ya kai na fa be ono kan wo ye ne sa na upload bi ato ko only first person am sabetimi aka all the social media handles so ko ha e too much gh hon so ya kai so be subscribe no like no share ama wo bia bi nso enye bia hwe that gold and am just so macro.
Boss,
yes.
Miss Rowe, your friend is me old man na san kan hubio. Intin ka Mr. Kwan kakana.
Again, I'm sorry, not this time. Free AM Home Care and Nursing Home. No mo sure wo for ma onya kwan you do man. We home care and nursing services, elderly day care, medication management, dementia, and Alzheimer care, physiotherapy services, post-surgery care, illness recovery care. Ni nyina ne say, obusu ni bi kra na bi a wakwayare sabia na yeyi na befie. Na free AM Home Care and Nursing Home for ya 24/7. Wo mo abekwa akokro no, ekwan befa so befa ni ndro no mo entertain no. Na wo so nya kwan waduma.
Ene AM Home Care and Nursing Home. Sabi na mi pay.
Obutimi krokro busu afokro a kire wa umu.
Omo wo hefa.
AM Home Care and Nursing Home. E wo Fanko, Accra and Sawom Road. Fra 0540 344 837 and 0207 859995.
Boss, we dem dawasepa. What's me breso? AM Home Care and Nursing Home.
Comfort, compassion and caring home.